So let's say you just finished painting your two popsicles and now you're going to make a graded wash. What that means is you're going to dip your brush gently in some water. And then you're going to apply the water just where you want the graded wash to be. I want to make a big puddle between my two popsicles, so I'm going to apply the water to fill that whole organic shape, meaning that curvy shape that I already drew with my pencil. Now I can take my wet brush and I can get some of the yellow paint. And this is my favorite part. When I put the yellow paint down in the water, you'll watch it spread out and bleed, almost like it's washing the ground. I wonder if that's why they call it a wash. Let's see what happens when we add the blue. I'm getting some blue paint this time so that it looks like my popsicles melting on the sidewalk, and look at that! Every time I tap my brush of paint to where that wet puddle is, it spreads out and flows around. I bet if I take my brush and let yellow and blue mix, I bet we'll get a new color. Can you guess what color yellow and blue will start to make? Could it be orange? Could it be purple? Or could it be green? If you guessed green, you're right. So here is our pretty accident. I hope you have fun making a pretty accident with watercolor paint too.